Imagine your desk, not just as a place where you work, but as a command center. For years, Apple professionals have been forced into a compromise. You either chose the sleek, colorful 24-inch iMac, a beautiful machine, but one that hits a performance ceiling the moment you try to push it, or you went down the modular rabbit hole. You bought a Mac Studio, then you hunted for the right monitor, then you dealt with the cable nest of external speakers, webcams, and power bricks. You traded the soul of the all-in-one for the raw power of the Ultra chips. But what if I told you that the compromise is officially dead? What if I told you that in the high-security labs of Cupertino, Apple has finally finished what they started in 2017? The iMac Pro is back. And this time, it's not just Pro in name. It is a 32-inch, 6K, M5 powered monster that is designed to make the Mac Pro Tower look like an overpriced museum piece. If you've been waiting for the ultimate workstation, the one that defined the clean desk aesthetic while delivering enough power to simulate the universe, this is the video you've been waiting for. We are diving deep into the supply chain leaks of 2026, the arrival of the M5 Max and M5 Ultra Silicon, and the display technology that is so advanced, it literally couldn't exist until now. If you're a creative pro, a high-end developer, or just a tech enthusiast who refuses to settle, stay with me. Because the iMac Pro 2026 isn't just a computer. It's a statement. And Apple is about to drop the hammer. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the silicon. We are currently in the spring of 2026, and the M5 family has just rewritten the rules of what a system on a chip can do. The standard iMac Pro isn't starting with a base chip. No, the leaks confirm that the entry-level iMac Pro will debut with the M5 Max, a chip that already demolishes the highest-end PC workstations in single-core and multi-core efficiency. But for the true power users, the Ultra is the real story. The M5 Ultra is rumored to be built on Apple's new Fusion architecture. This isn't just two chips glued together. It's a unified 2-nanometer masterpiece with a die-to-die interconnect so fast that the software can't even tell it's two separate pieces of silicon. We are talking about a 40-core CPU and a staggering 100-core GPU. Think about that. A 100-core GPU in an all-in-one chassis. This is enough power to edit 12 streams of 8K ProRes RAW video simultaneously without the fans even ramping up to an audible level. But why an iMac Pro? Why not just stick with the Mac Studio? It's about the thermal envelope. The rumor mill suggests the 2026 iMac Pro features a completely redesigned chunky chassis. It's not the razor-thin blade of the 24-inch model. It's thicker, bolder, and finished in a deep, menacing space black. This extra volume isn't just for show. It houses a massive vapor chamber cooling system. This allows the M5 Ultra to run at peak clock speeds for hours. If you're a 3D artist waiting for a Redshift render at 3 a.m., the iMac Pro 2026 is the difference between going to bed on time and pulling an all-nighter. Now let's talk about the window into your work, the display. This is where Apple is truly flexing. The 27-inch panel is gone. In its place is a massive 32-inch 6K Retina XDR display. But it's not just about the size.